today's video. I'm super excited because I'm gonna be unboxing this package. I ordered this one from Amazon, these two little package, and this one from Samsung. So, titignan natin. Oh my gosh. Pinakahihintay kong package so far. So we're gonna be unboxing. I'll show you. Naka secret muna. Actually, dumating to 9 days ago. So since I'm working on a cruise ship, in-address ko lang sa company na nagsisend ng emails namin. Dumating to last cruise, hindi na umabot, kaya inintay ko na lang. Ay, okay, papakita ko na. Oh. Siya nga pala katatapos ng ship ko, so I asked someone to get my package. So they got this one, and then some ads about brochures nila. Shop can't miss. No, I won't buy TV. The package is so secured. So, yeah, ito pala. This is the company, Carmel. I ordered this one from Samsung and na-deliver ko sa Carmel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Actually, before, I really want to buy the Samsung Galaxy 3, but when I hear that this beauty will come out in just a couple of weeks, like the Galaxy Watch 4, so I waited for that, and then ito na guys. So here it says Samsung Galaxy Design Studio. Here we have Galaxy Watch. This is the box. Nothing is written here. Okay, here behind. So we have. I took Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and I got the 46mm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi GPS. Oh my! I think I have a blade over here. Blade ko na lang para mas maayos yung maayos pa yung box. Guys, ta-da! is Samsung. Yan. Make sure it's focused. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, ito yung what's inside this box. Oh, we have the, I think that it's the charger. So this is the charger. Wireless charger niya. And then I think there's more inside. Punit. Ah! They have quick starter guide. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. So this is the Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classics. Watch 4 is mostly for sports, and Classic is for like if you are more to style. If you don't care about the weight, the watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ang ganda. This is so beautiful. This one is hybrid. So pag order ka, this is not the rubber band that really goes with it. So I changed mine into a leather instead of a rubber band, regular rubber band nila, because they said that rubber band is not good, not really like a trash. So I changed mine into a hybrid leather. So I think it's around 60 or 50 bucks, but since I bought this one, they gave me a discount and I just paid $9 for this.
$9 for the hybrid band, I think. Hybrid leather band.
So let's check. So this is what we call the hybrid leather band. Samsung. This is the box. They put it inside already, but you can order a separate one. It says hybrid leather band, outer premium genuine leather, inner high performance fluoroelastomer. And it's compatible with Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 series or later. So okay, let's check. It's so pretty. Look at that. Yan lang so far. Oh my god, this one is a 20 mm. I don't know if you can see. That's a 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm, 20 millimeter band. It's on the other side, it says medium large. So we have a quick starter guide, and this is it, guys. This is it. This is really it. Look at that. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, so I'm actually wearing a G-Shock right now, and let's compare it to the size of G-Shock. So my wrist size is around 6 to 7 inches. Then I choose the 46 mm, so it fits really well. Let's try first the band, because actually I still have one more. Try na ba natin? This is the Galaxy Watch 4. Oh my god, it still has like So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 46 millimeter. Got the silver one. Okay, let's turn on for the first one. I'm gonna wear this now on my wrist. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got 46 mm and it's super nice. It's actually the right size for me. It's not so big, and it's not heavy for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just welcome. So we'll set it up later, okay? Set natin later. We'll set up later. Look at that. My god. So, yan. And I got another package. I bought actually another wristband for this from Amazon. That's from Amazon. Or this one, I don't know. Oh, this one is a derma ruler. I'm gonna show you. Derma ruler. This one is actually the silver one. This is the silver band. So mas bagay to. Gourmet. The brand of this one is, I don't know. Basta nakalagay lang is stainless steel watch band, for compatible for Apple smartwatch, Fitbit smartwatch, Garmin smartwatch, Samsung smartwatch, and other smartwatches. Easy installation, convenient length of adjust, premium quality. So 316 stainless steel. I got 316 stainless steel. Okay. The brand is Catrice brand. Oh man. Okay. Kung napapatagalin pa. So we're gonna open this one. Oh. Okay. This one. Cute. May installation siya. So, bagay siya. So, I'm gonna change this one to this one. But, cute. White one is cute. Thank you. Arte, no? But, tagal ko na to. Gusto mabili. Oh, look at that. Nakapatay. That. Oh. So, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. See? So, mamaya ko na lang ikakabit to. Maybe. I'm just gonna open this one first. What is this? Oh. From his yun. Cool pack. Nice plastic. It has gold. Bronze in the other side. Yes, yun. Is yoni. Product problem, don't like problem, or service. So, meron ito. Bumili ako nan kasi nagpi-pimples ako. I think that is it, guys. This one is too long, I guess. Right? It needs to be adjusted. Maybe I'll use this one first. So guys, that is my unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the band, and also the derma roller from Amazon. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I see you guys on my next one. Again, this is your Pinay Viajera, and as always, adios!